Okay, after what feels like forever of testing and making sure everything's good quality, audio, background noise test, all that junk, I am finally ready to play Slime Rancher 2. Very excited for that, and yeah, this video is probably going to be somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes, and I hope to do that for this entire Slime Rancher series. And I am going to be doing this on YouTube instead of Twitch, because I just think it'll be better as a Twitch series. I mean, a YouTube series. And yeah. This game looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to play it. Begin. What's this? Tutorials? Tar. Oh wow, you could disable tar. Feral slimes. Oh wow. It's a lot of different options. Oh my god, a butterfly slime. That's so pretty. Hunter slime. Yes, hunter slime is still in the game. Love that. Okay. So excited to play this game. After a long day of ranching, Beatrix was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sunset across Slime City. Suddenly a boat arrived at her dock, with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. You've explored the far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef, the furthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted, Beatrix. Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat and took her across the Slime Sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything in the far range. Mountains, trees, and glasses, all in an array of colors. One second, let me turn my headset down. It's really loud. That danced and moved like a dream. She explored. She found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the... Sorry, I'm stuttering a lot. I'm really bad at reading out loud. She found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slimes, start a farm, and build gadgets. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Okay. I really love playing Slime Rancher 1, or original. Oh, wow. Oh, it is so colorful. I gotta check the FPS, because this is a little bit too amazing. Oof. Yep. No, I can only do 60 FPS on my monitor. Graphics. Apply. Medium. Okay, so my PC could run, like, I don't remember what my PC could run, but my monitor can only show 60 FPS. So if I have it at 120, then my monitor's just wasting the work. There we go. This is a bit better. Wait, actually, I'm gonna cut this part out. I'm gonna mess with some settings, and then, yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part of the video out. Now I've messed with settings again, and I'm done with them. But this should be okay, I think. I'm not sure. Guess we'll have to wait and find out. If Nikki comes in, probably ask him. I want to see what the house looks like. Oh wow, it's so much cooler. You could choose to just sleep for 6 hours? That's so cool. Sleep until night. That's useful. But I'm absolutely in love with the graphics of this game. They're so pretty. I'm a little bit worried about my computer though, but I think it should be okay. The IU is so, like, it's so clean. Like it's, ooh, a basement. I have a basement? Oh my god, it's the laboratories in my basement. Ooh, where does this take me? Wow. Wow. This is amazing. The IU is like so clean. I really like it. Kind of just running around to make sure my computer's all good. Also, if you notice it lagging a lot, it's because the game is still in early access. So it might not be great. How many Corel spots do I have to start with? Looks like quite a few. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Corel spots just to like start. That's a lot. I think in the old one you got like, no, in the old one you got 8 too. Still, this is so pretty. Like, I could probably just have this area and be happy for quite a while. Can I hope there's a jetpack in this game. The jetpack was really like, I spent so much time just trying to get to odd places with the jetpack, and I have no idea why. This game is amazing. The graphics are like 10 steps up from the last one. I'm going back into my basement slash my science lab. I also like that you don't have to pay 10,000 new bucks just to get into the science lab. Oh my god, the menus are so cool. Oh wait, this is how I upgrade my things. Water. Wait. Oh. Resource harvest. As a resonator suction mechanic. Shakes loose science resources. Okay. That's probably important. You need plorts to upgrade things now? That is so cool! Ooh, radiant ore. That's new. Tabby plort. Rock, angler, deep brine. Deep brine's still in the game. That's cool. Wild honey. I always hated getting wild honey. Flutter plort. Interesting. This is so cool. Utilities, warp tech. We'll probably unlock all that later. I know how to vac. Oh, I need to vac something up. I love these menus. Is this the Slimepedia? These menus are so nice. They're like so like clean. I like how they're a little bit bubbly, if you get what I mean. I love them though. I like, so far I'm really loving the graphics. I could probably just sit here talking about the graphics for 2 hours. In fact, I think I should probably stop talking about the graphics and actually do things. What was that? Chickadoo! Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry, little chickadoo. He's so cute. Can I like crouch or something? No? Oh, he's so cute though. I love him. Well, I get it. Oh, slimes! Oh my god. This is amazing. Have you ever seen like a game and you watch the ad and then it's like nothing like what the graphics look like because they changed them, and the game kind of like for the ad it was like just animated instead of being the actual game? Yeah, no. This is better than all the previews. So much better. Fruit, veggie, and meat. Oh. It's not everything anymore? Oh. Well, you can't shoot them through Corels anymore. Good to know. I need to find a way to break that habit. I love this. Like, I really love this. Are they good? Are they gonna... I don't know. I guess we gotta find something to feed them. You jump really high in this. Oh my god. The shadows. Oh my god. This cannot be good for my computer. I like really should mess with the graphics quality a bit, but it's all on medium. So it shouldn't be bad. Oh! A rooster! Or a roostro! Tasty food acquired. I guess I should probably go feed the rooster. Ooh, what are you? The dent. This dark, damp, mushroom-covered expansion to the conservatory is a refuge from the sun for slime and ranchers alike. So, right now, how much do I have to pay? So, you see, the game is currently in early access. I'm pretty sure I've spent the last, like, 20 minutes just exploring this farm. 15? Okay. This is terrible. Oh my god. So, this game is in early access. I'm playing it the day it comes out. Right now. I love this. What do the plorts look like? Oh wow, they have a lot more, like, depth than before. Ooh. I love the Chickadee's icon in the inventory. I might just keep a Chickadee in my inventory at all times because it's adorable. I love this. Rainbow Island awaits! Rainbow Island does await. Yes, it does. So right now I have... So, pink plorts. Let's see, let's look at the plort prices. Let's look at the stock market today. I don't know what that is. Not sure what kind of slime that is. Bats, probably. The cotton slimes. Angler. That's probably the ringtail, and that's probably the butterfly one. And then... Oh wow, Beatrix has an actual hand this time. That kind of freaked me out. I noticed there's no rad. There also might be a lot more that I'm missing that aren't here, but that's alright. I wasn't the biggest fan of rads anyway. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is like so cool. I really wanna like rainbow fields. Oh my god. You see, oh my god, the carrots are so cool. Oh my god, I love everything about this game. The majority of this video is gonna be me freaking out about the graphics and stuff, just so you guys know. Okay. Oh my god, this is so... What button do I use for screenshots? Pretty sure it's... Oh, what did I just do? No. Pretty sure it's F12. Okay, guess that's not gonna work. I wanna... Is that the boat that I came in? Is that it? Is that the boat? Can I go back? Oh my god. This is so cool. It's a very dangerous boat. There's like nothing here to block me from, you know, jumping off. I think the sprint is faster than before. Wow. I don't think I will ever get... Oh my gosh. These graphics. Let me tell you. Pogo fruit. I'm so excited for this game to be updated. Oh my god, phosphorus. They're so amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love everything about this game. This is all I'm going to be thinking about for the next 10 hours. When I go to sleep tonight, I will be... What are you? Hello? What do you eat? You eat fruit? Oh no, you eat veggies. Would you like some pogo fruit? Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, flutter phosphors. Wait, no, that's not a flutter, that's a cotton. Mine. You're all mine. You're all mine. My children. My children. I love them. There's... What are you? GG log. Well, here we are again. I'm sounding the drones out to the original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. Is this the storyline? This place, I still remember being in awe of all these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. I guess in a way it was, because it ended much too soon. I don't know what these things are, but they're cool. I need more. I love them so much. Uh-oh, how do I get home? I'm pretty sure I came from this way. Sorry if you hear me moving around a lot. I keep checking my computer to make sure it's not overheating. That's pretty hot. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, no, it's cool. When I go to sleep tonight, I will be having dreams about, oh my god, the corals are so cool! They're all rainbowy! I guess we're on Rainbow Island, that would only make sense. Honestly, when I first saw this game, I thought it'd be a bit too colorful. Because, you know, I love these menus and the IU and stuff. It's so cool. Writer, ponds. So, no new types of, plots. Wait, no. Garden. Yay. Now I have a garden. You jump a lot higher than you did before. And I'm not sure how much I like it. Love that there's a shadow, though. That's really cool. I want to farm carrots, because they're kind of a good thing. What do phosphors? No. Fruit. Okay. Well, those will be grown in the morning. I keep going to look at the top corner of the screen for the time, but then I realize it's at the bottom again. Let's do sleep until morning. Day 2 of my wonderful world. Oh! Oh! I'm in shock. This game. I don't even know what to do. This game is just too pretty. I just gotta throw all these carrots on the ground real quick, because all my slimes are breaking out. No. No. Go. Ah! I swear I'm a better rancher than this. I swear, I'm so much better at this game. I don't constantly send my slimes flying on a regular basis, I swear. Okay, these guys are everywhere. This game is so amazing. Hey Nikki, can you help me out? Okay, so now I can monitor my temperatures, and I'm playing on the highest graphics settings, so more of me freaking out over the graphics. This game is amazing. I want to see what the phosphors look like. Oh wait, don't they like explode in the sun or something? They're so pretty, I love them so much. I love this game. I wasted like half of this day messing with graphics though. Oh, that scared me. It's so pretty. I don't have anything to feed them. It's okay though. Oh, wait, I should probably go back to my farm and, like, you know, harvest my crops and feed my slimes. Even though I only have the pink slimes, which I already fed. Okay. I am truly amazed. A lot of people were saying this is just like a reskinned Slime Rancher 2, or Slime Rancher, but it is so much better. I'm not disappointed at all. I've not come across one thing where I was like, I don't really like this, you know? I love this. Okay, so let's explore Rainbow Island a bit more. Because most of the video has just been me messing around. It's okay. For an early access game, this game is actually, like, amazing. I'm not sure how much content there is so far, but it's not laggy. It's lagging a little bit, but what is that? What is that? Oh, it's pink. What are these? Lucky slime. That is the second rare slime I've come. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a pink bunny. I love him. Oh my god, I love him. Ooh, a chicken. Oh, so that's a resource. This is so cool. And actually, my graphics weren't even like, I was playing on medium settings. I could have been playing on high. Wow, I have no idea where I am right now. This is so good. Oh, a Gordo! Oh, it's a Phosphor Gordo. Ooh, if I pop him, I see a Gordo and the first thing I do is jump on his head. Wow. I know I've said it so many times, but I'm truly amazed. Totally worth the how long I've been waiting, and definitely like way like my expectations. It exceeds them so much. Ooh, treasure pod. But I don't have the treasure pod cracker yet. I don't think I could get there. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna try because I have all my children. AKA phosphors and cotton slimes on me. I'm gonna go back to the observatory. And, I don't know what I'm gonna do there. Wow. My GPU is staying at like 70, so that's good. GPU load is good. CPU, I got a water cooler, so that'll be fine. Everything's good. Everything is like perfect. Like, I really love the IUs. Oddly enough, they're like so pretty. I'm going down here. I love that it's like all foggy and stuff. That is so amazing. Oh, the fabricator. I've kind of already explored all this, but yeah. Oh, pulse wave. I don't think that was there before. What's that? Extra tank. You could get an extra tank now? Oh my god, that's so cool. There's two? Does that mean there's two? Oh, there is a jetpack, dash boots, power core, heart module, resource harvester. There's two extra tanks? Can't tell you how much I wanted that in the first game. This is so amazing. Oh, right back to the Comet. I just called it the Comet Observatory. I love this game. Okay, what do these guys eat? Vegetables, right? So I kind of just want to let some free roam around my ranch for a bit. Eat my children. Oh my god, it slides up. The physics are awesome. Look at this. That was really like weird. It just landed perfectly. That's so cool though. There he is. I thought I lost one of my cotton slimes. No. 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 Let's try and feed him. It slides up staircases. Look, Mr. Slime. Want a carrot? I'm gonna shoot a carrot at you. Oh. I wonder if they have achievements still. I actually want to check that really quick. Ah, it doesn't look like there's any achievements. Resources, ranch, world. Yeah, no, there's no achievements this time. Maybe you have to unlock them through like 7Z later in the game. Is 7Z still a thing? I have no idea. Maybe you have to unlock them through the 7Z rewards thing later in the game. That'd be kind of cool, actually. I'm just gonna carry these slimes around with me until I have enough money to buy them a home. Let me check how long this stream has been running, or video, or whatever. 35 minutes already. We're gonna keep it... How do I... Oh no, my carrot. We're gonna keep it running a bit longer because I do have to edit quite a bit of this stream out. I mean, video. I keep calling it a stream. I stream a lot more than I YouTube. Oh wow, anything behind here? Any secrets? Any treasure pods? No. Absolutely nothing. My eye's itchy. I love this so much. Wow. Amazed. Let's sleep until morning. Okay. Beautiful sunrise on Rainbow Island. Loving it. Feed these guys. They're probably... Oh my god, look. It like waves. Oh, that is so cool. I just really overfed my slimes just because of that. Oh my god. I love this game. It truly is amazing. I do want to do maybe a 100-day playthrough series on this in the future. That'd be kind of fun, but for now I think we'll just do a casual playthrough. Maybe when I learn a bit more about the game, I'll do a 100-day. Because I do enjoy doing like 100. I've always enjoyed watching 100-day playthroughs. So making one might be pretty fun. I really like specifically Terraria. I don't like when I'm too close to that thing. Specifically like Terraria. I really like the Terraria 100-day playthroughs. Those are always cool. Minecraft 100 days ain't bad depending on the YouTuber you watch. I don't know why I'm out here collecting carrots. Just to look at things. Graphics. I waited so long for this game. Even before it was announced, I've been hoping there would be a Slime Rancher 2. And since it finally came out, this is like amazing. Okay, so now I've gathered some extra carrots. Now that I've gathered some extra plorts, if I can find my way home, that's my home. Wow. This is so cool. There we go. Now we can buy a home for my my bunnies. One second, let me take a drink. Ah. I wonder if I have to buy high walls. Would bunny? I guess they probably would jump high considering they're bunnies, and putting 6 of them in a pen together probably isn't the best idea. But I'm still gonna do it. Probably gonna be a nuisance in the mornings when they all break out looking for food, but I'll deal with it. Cross that bridge when we get to it. Now, my little slime children, eat! Oh, none of them are hungry. Okay, guess we'll eat tomorrow then. Or later. I don't know. Oh, hello, little slime. What are you doing here? I don't think I collected a chicken yet. Hearty chicken, bred to be twice as tasty as its cousin on Earth. That is probably one of the best descriptions for something I've ever heard. So that little slime probably needs a home, so we'll put him in here. Okay. So far, a great day on the ranch. Loving this. Or it's great. I think this is like day 3 on the ranch. Yeah, day 3. Is my... Oh, that's cool. My, my menu showing me all my temperatures and showing on the video. That's good. I like this little picnic table out here. Let's see what else. Ooh, a mountain. Oh no! It's in the mushroom area. How much is the mushroom area? 1800. Okay, I'll probably get that soon. Ooh. I don't know. Ooh, what is this? What's this? I think I've already been here. Oh yeah, I have already been here. It's my science lab. I don't know why my laugh sounded like a hyena, but okay. This is probably cool. I like really want to get in there. Like really want to get in there. I wonder if this teleporter goes. Maybe this is like the like in the first game there were just teleporters all over that would just take you to the ranch. But if you try to go back through it, you couldn't go back through. They were like a one-way teleporter. Maybe that's like that type of teleporter. But for this game, I don't know. We're gonna sleep until nah. I can spend this time exploring Rainbow Island. I was gonna just sleep so I could get the day over with. Ooh, I think my slimes are getting hungry. Feed my bunnies. Feed the bunnies. Their plorts are so pretty. They're golden. I wonder what the gold plorts look like if these are golden. They're not golden. They're like a golden yellow. Okay, I feel like there should be way more plorts than this. I fed like every slime in this pen. Oh, never mind. There's 6. There's only 6 slimes. We'll leave those carrots in there for them later, though. Wow. That is a lot of new bucks. Oh, hello, other little lonely slime hanging out here. Would you like a home? I bet you would. As I said, I'm not sure how I feel about the jump physics. Like, they're nice and stuff, but I'm, like, not used to them. You jump a lot higher than you did before. And that's, like, messing with me a little bit. My button got stuck. That happens all the time with the A button. It always gets stuck, and I get stuck going, left. Couldn't remember which direction is which. I always get stuck going left. Yeah. Why? Okay. Ooh! Oh! Oh, look! Testing technique, lost at sea. Mysterious boat number 2. Oh, nope, just forgot to turn this off. Nice to see your face again, Beatrix. I've missed you greatly, my dear friend. I'm quite excited for you to partake in a new adventure. I already have data that might complicate things. What is your data, Victor? Last night I received a message from some sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but not one I recognize. I'm in the process of analyzing it, but I'm certain that this message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I receive a mysterious code. He really likes the word mysterious from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got work to do, and you do your best to get exploring. I almost forgot. Take this home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easier. Ooh, yellow home portal. Take care, Beatrice. We'll be in touch. I don't know why I can't read out loud without stuttering 5,000 times. Hello, Beatrix. Despite appearances, this is not Victor, but a hologram of Victor that Victor has developed to receive messages from Victor. Which is not me. Please state your message, and I will ensure the message is not given to me, but instead Victor. Oh, okay. I get to choose who I talk to? That's so cool. Oh, wait, I have enough to high walls. We're gonna do them for these bunny nightmares. Not nightmares. Just they're gonna be nightmares if I don't upgrade it. Airnet, solar shield, port collector, auto feeder. Alright, nothing new. Cool. The high walls are super high. They're very high in this one. And so are these. They were a lot lower in the old one. Okay, let's go explore. Might as well. I think I want to explore the upper parts. Because there were a lot of things I probably couldn't see from down there. Nope. Yeah, I can't do this without a jetpack. It's very hard. Look. This game graphics are amazing. Oh, hungry little fellows. Where's all the food? It's all gone. I will take all these plorts though. Allow me to feed my slimes at home. Oh, didn't I already do this guy? Next thing you will hear, we are again. I'm setting the ground out. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here's all the food. Okay, I'll find it. The phosphorus. Oh, the map. I didn't even think about the map. Oh, wow. I love this. Ooh. So it's looking like those are corals. This will be good for when I plan my farm layout. Since you can see the corals on the map, I could be like, okay, so put this line there. It shows us where the Gordos are in the map? I'm not sure how much I like that, actually. Maybe it only shows them once you, like, see them. I'm not sure. But this is cool. So there's 4 different extra areas right now that we know of. Is what it's looking like. And then, oh wow, this is so cool. Discover map data and nodes across the range. Discover more of your map. I love this game. Maybe I'll find a new slime one out here too. It seemed like we were on the edge of the rainbow fields. When I check the map, if we look, see, is this? Oh, so this way takes me away. Let's go. Ooh, refinery links. Oh, I love that they're not super late into the game again. Or I mean, like before. I was so in and over my head when I first started here. I remember hauling Jellystone back from the conservatory by hand because I was so excited, breathless and sweaty. I was going about everything all wrong, but I was happy. There's little time now, so I'll need these refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time I'm going to do it right. So can I like, yeah! Tabby slime! It was jumping in my face and I didn't see it. Oh my god. It was literally jumping in my face, but they are so cute! Wait, can I like, oh my god, I love him. He should probably be named George. Oh, I thought they were silver parsnips, and I was like, silver parsnips? What? Is this like, yeah, we're officially in the fog. Where are we? So I guess this is still considered Rainbow Fields then? I love that I have tabby slimes. Those are super cool. This gotta be secrets on here. Ooh, that's cool. I don't know what it is. It's cool. That's an interesting bug. Kind of like shaking. That'll probably be patched eventually. Someone will see it, report it, and it'll be patched. Doesn't even matter though. It's not serious. Okay, how the hell do I get away from here? No little pink slime. Anything in here? Or is it just no? Just random. Okay. I wish it wasn't as much fog. What is this? No, I want it back. Oh. Okay, I think I'm stuck here. Oh, never mind. I don't think I'm stuck here. Yeah, I'm not stuck here. I'm just dumb. Wow. Ooh, the new map icon for this area. Oh, the refinery link. So it looks like things don't show up on your map until you, like, actually, like, use them or see them or whatever. Good. I love this place. I'm still, like, trying to find my way around. See how high that jump was? You could have never made that in Slime Rancher. I guess. Should I just call it Slime Rancher Original? Slime Rancher Senior? Slime Rancher. Ooh, another treasure pod. Wait, I could open treasure pods? Overjoyed statue. The only thing happening on a slime is an overjoyed statue of a slime. I could open treasure pods without an upgrade? Uh-oh, it's turning night. Wonder if we'll see baddie slimes. I really hope we see one. Let's see, yeah. I also really hope we don't see tar slimes, but I hope we see baddie slimes. Because those are cute. Those are probably, like, one of the most, like, exciting... Those are... Sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm, like, most excited for those slimes. Pretty sure that was a stony hen. Is this the refinery link we saw a few minutes ago, or is this a new one? This is the one we saw a few minutes ago. So then that would make home this way. Okay. Wait, actually, I want to stay out. I want to find baddie slimes. Wait, no. Oh, okay. It kind of looks like a pink slime just swallowed a bat. That's my entire house shaking. Interesting. I think I'm just crazy, but it looks... Ah! No. Die. Ah. No eating slimes on my watch, Mr. Tar. Not on my watch. This game, man, is so amazing. Ooh, what's that? Oh my god, what's that? I have no idea what that is, but it looks so cool. Okay. Anyway. Up or down? Let's do down. I feel like down has more potential. No, this is where I've already been. But what is that? I want to know what that is. Sorry for moving a little bit fast. I'm just, like, really excited. And I prefer high sensitivity over low sensitivity. Okay. The whole reason I'm here is I'm just looking for baddie slimes. Oh, I probably should be at the observatory right now. Probably almost fell in water. Let's see up here. Oh, cube berries. I don't have any room. Okay, screw the cube berries. Whatever. Okay, not looking like we're gonna see them. Let's go home. Adorable. Is this the way home? Pink Gordo! Is he gonna be marked on the map now? I guess so. We'll just leave him for a minute. Yeah, now he's gonna be marked. Ooh, death. Nah, good. We'll just go the other way. Yeah, thank you. I'm just gonna turn around, go the other way. Was that a... No. I thought my temperature was at 80 for a second. It wasn't. It was... I don't think this is the way I'm supposed to go, but I'm still gonna go this way. I have no idea where I am right now. It's okay though, because this is Rainbow Island. And it's beautiful. I should probably put some of these. That'd be the smartest thing to do. Oh! Oh, my Largo! If you haven't played Slime Rancher Original or 1 or... Are these cabbages? Water lettuce! Water lettuce? Oh, wait, where'd my tabby go? Okay, lettuce or my tabby slime? It's like, can we, like, just, like, bring him home like this, and then when we get home, like this? And when we get home, I'll figure out something to do with my water lettuce.
Water lettuce?
Yeah. I think this might work. Are we near home? I have no idea. I do this every time I play a game. I get too focused on exploring, and then I end up just having no idea where I am. Ah, there we go. No, 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 come back. Come back. Come to me. No, no, come, no. I think the backpack is a bit stronger than it was in the first game. I'm totally gonna run right into a pool of water and die. Oh gosh. Well, he's still mine, so. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! No! Where'd he go? No! I did not drag you all the way home for you to be eaten. Yeah? Okay. Okay, I gotta go home. Finally home. This is home. This is home. Okay. So you see, now I have no idea what to do with this creature. Still my child, though. No, that's a bad idea. Wait, no. I don't know what to do with him. I think I'll just, like, he'll be fine until morning. He should be. Sleep until morning. And then, in the morning, I'm going to dump out all my plorts, and I'm going to end this video and start the next one. I also have to find something to do with him. He needs a name, though. No, he doesn't need a name. Because I'm probably just going to put him in a group of other slimes, and he's going to get lost in that group, and then I'll never know which one is him, and which one is actually just the other rabbit tabbies. So, yeah. I wonder how water lettuce would be. I feel like it'd be, like, super crispy. Water lettuce is probably delicious, not gonna lie. Okay. Excuse me, what are you doing there, mister? I have to collect all these plorts. Without collecting their carrots, hopefully. Never mind. No. I know they're called cotton slime, but I'm just gonna call them bunnies. Because they're bunnies. Uh-oh. No, 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 my children. Oh gosh. My children aren't very well behaved, are they? I'll feed you in a minute, okay? Here, take water lettuce. Oh, jeez. Oh, water lettuce is his favorite. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Huh. Very good to know. So what's Tabby's favorite? Still stony hens. They don't have a favorite. Phosphorus favorite. Still cube berries. Okay. So, now we have tons of tabby florts that we have nothing to do with. And I forgot to feed the pink slimes. Uh-oh, they don't know. Okay, that's fine. Please don't jump out of your pen. There's florts out there that you're going to consume, and you're gonna become different types of slimes. What are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here. Gosh, what have I done? I've created, I don't even know what I've created. I don't know what no! I can't leave these guys unattended for 12 seconds. I need your carrots. I'm sorry, I need all your carrots. These guys are slightly, crazy. Just hang out, man. Just hang out. Just hang out. Okay? Gonna take that as a yes. Okay. Just fed them. Okay, first things first, we need more food. So should we upgrade this? Nutrients. Okay. I have enough for one of these. Wait, I think I have enough for both. 350, so 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I have enough for both, so. Wait. We'll just do that one. And then I think we gotta upgrade these guys' walls. Because they've become a little bit of a nuisance. It's okay though. Now, what to do with you? I'm not sure yet. No. Okay. You're good. You're good. Just... Jeez, where did it go? Okay. Yeah, this is a good place for you. Can you just hang out here? Yeah? Okay, thanks. No. Stay. Stay. Stay there. Okay. Now I still have 270. What to do with my 278 new bucks? New farm. Water lettuce. I mean, I probably should do fruit. I know. I'll make this water lettuce. Wait, no. Wrong thing. Room of Robs costs 50 now. Okay. Well, water lettuce, I guess. Now let's hope some of these slimes have some plorts for me. Awesome. I don't know what I'm gonna mix these with. Maybe I'll do flutters. If okay. Now, still need 7 new bucks. Can you guys, like... I don't have anything to feed them. This is not a good idea, but I'm still leaving. Okay. I only need 10 new bucks, so it shouldn't be that hard. See? 10 new bucks. Should be enough right here. Go to you, we don't need more. Okay. Are you trying? No. Trying to leave. There we go. What am I supposed to be building? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to build another farm. Okay, so we're gonna build that garden, and then we're gonna try, in the next video, we're gonna try and remember where that pogo fruit thing, not pogo fruit, cubeberry thing was. And yeah. But for now, that is the end of this video, and I will edit this later and post it later. Oh, it ended up being an hour. I said I was just gonna play for like 10 more minutes, just to even the video out a little bit, and now I've made it an hour long. That's nice. That was, not supposed to happen. Hour and 6 minutes, actually. Okay, this is the end of this video. Hopefully after editing it ends up being somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes. So, yeah. Okay, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna record another one now, right after this.